All right, this is the elevator at Pins Mechanical Company at the Bottleworks district in Indianapolis, Indiana. And check it out, we got a Thyssenkrupp. This thing's pretty cool, I'd say. I don't think I should be down here. All right, here we go. Here we're bit 2. All right, let's get a cab view. This thing's pretty nice overall. Floor is a little dirty. It's got matted toll fixtures. There's your certificate. And here we are down at the LL. Where are you going? All the action's upstairs. I mean, this is a nice install overall. And this place is pretty awesome. Large variety of fun things to do here. But anyways, here we are back up at 2. And there it goes. That'll be it.